How to fix Facebook keeps stopping problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Facebook and then tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will help in clearing the cache. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then open Settings again and then tap on General and then on Software Update. Here, make sure the iOS is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone, as sometimes old system software causes app crashes. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in General again tap on iPhone Storage and then go ahead and delete unused apps, videos, and files, and make sure that you have enough storage space, as if iPhone storage is full, apps may auto close. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply try to reinstall your Facebook application, as a simple reinstalling the app will help you in refreshing the Facebook application. Also, if you have enabled low battery mode, then go ahead and disable low battery mode, as battery optimization can stop apps unexpectedly. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook keep stopping problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.